नमस्ते, ओम शांति। How are you?
How are you?
I am good. Is this diagram visible?
Yes. Hello.
Yes. Namaste. How are you? रमेश जी, रमेश जी, can is my voice clear? Is my voice clear?
Actually, voice is not clear.
Voice is not clear. Bali Yoga School?
It's clear for me.
Okay. So sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Spine straight. Adopt Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cettasya padena vacham malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarottam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. So what was our last topic? Yesterday's topic, thoracic cage? No, vertebral column. Am I correct?
Yes.
Vertebral column. So what is the name of our first vertebra?
Of what?
What is the name of our first vertebra?
Oh, Atlas.
Atlas. And second vertebra?
Axis.
Yeah, axis. How many vertebral column? How many vertebrae are there in vertebral column?
33 vertebrals.
Yeah, 33. And how many intervertebral discs are there?
23.
Yeah, 23. Now write down the function of vertebral column. Function of vertebral column. It protects the spinal cord. It protects the spinal cord and provide attachment surface to the muscles of back, neck and head. It protects spinal cord and provide attachment surface to the muscles of back, neck and head. Our skull rests on the top of vertebral column. Our skull rests on the top of vertebral column. Our skull rests on vertebral column. The vertebral column provide movement to skull front and back and rotation side to side. The vertebral column provide movement to head front and back and rotation side to side. Clear?
Yeah, it's clear, but your voice is suddenly a bit
Slow.
less loud.
Less loud. Okay. I will try to speak loudly.
Or maybe something is covering the microphone or something, because the quality changed.
No problem. I will try to speak louder.
Perfect.
There is 3 diseases related to spinal cord. Not spinal cord, spine. There is 3 diseases related to spine or vertebral column. The first one is kyphosis. First one is kyphosis. 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 What is kyphosis? Anybody told me? Anybody tell me what is kyphosis? Area ma'am, what is kyphosis? Kyphosis is hunchback. Kyphosis is hunch in upper back. Kyphosis is hunch in upper back. Like in cat and cow pose, when you doing cat, that is the symbol of kyphosis.
didn't understand. Like, what did you say about the diseases? Something with
Yeah.
diseases.
Spinal diseases, vertebral column disease, but my internet connection is good. Spinal diseases, there is three type of diseases. First one is kyphosis, KYPHOSIS. That is hunch in upper back. The second disease is lordosis, LORDOSIS. Second disease is lordosis. The anterior band in lumbar region, anterior band or front band in lumbar region. The cow pose is the symbol of lordosis. And the third one is scoliosis, SCOLIOSIS, scoliosis. In this disease, the spine or vertebral column takes shape. In this disease, the vertebral column takes shape like the letter S. In scoliosis, vertebral column takes shape like letter S. Clear? Our next topic is thoracic cage. Our next topic, thoracic cage. THORACIC. Thoracic cage, CAGE. It is also known as rib cage. Thoracic cage, also known as rib cage. Write down. Thoracic cage have 25 bones. Thoracic cage have 25 bones. And these 25 bones divided into two groups. The first one is ribs, 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 and the second one is sternum, STERNUM. First one is ribs and second is sternum, STERNUM. Write down the first part, ribs. There is 24 ribs or 12 pair of ribs present in thoracic cage, and these 12 pair of ribs divided into three parts. The first part is true ribs. The first part is true ribs. The first rib to seventh rib, known as true ribs, because they make direct connection with sternum. First to seventh ribs are known as true ribs because they make direct connection with sternum. Second part, false ribs. False ribs. 8th, 9th and 10th ribs known as false ribs because they don't make connection directly with sternum. First they attach with each other, means 8th rib attached to 7th rib, 9th rib attached to 8th rib and 10th rib attached to 9th rib, and they combinedly make connection with sternum through 7th rib. They combinedly make connection with sternum through 7th rib. And there is two more ribs, 11th and 12th rib, the third part of ribs. 11th and 12th ribs are floating ribs. These ribs don't have any connection with any ribs or sternum. 11th and 12th ribs don't have any connection with any rib or sternum. So these ribs known as floating ribs. The first rib is the smallest rib and more curved. The first rib in rib cage is the smallest rib and more curved. And the 7th is the biggest and longest rib. The 7th rib is the biggest and longest rib. Any question from ribs?
No.
So come to second part of thoracic cage, that is sternum. It is a 15 centimeter long flat bone. It is a 15 centimeter long flat bone that is divided into three parts. The first part is manubrium, manubrium. The first part known as manubrium, manubrium, also known as prosternum, prosternum. The second part is main body. Second part is the main body of sternum called mesosternum, mesosternum, mesosternum. And the third and last part, that is the tip of sternum, known as xiphi-sternum, xiphi, xiphi, sternum, xiphi-sternum, or xiphoid process, also known as xiphoid process, xiphi, xiphoid, xiphoid process, process, xiphoid process. The tip of sternum, that is xiphi-sternum, in early age found in the form of hyaline cartilage, at the age of 35 to 40. At the age of 35 to 40, it converts into bone. At the age of 35 to 40, it converts into bony structure. Xiphisternum. That is the tip of sternum. Before 35, it found in the form of hyaline cartilage. And in childhood, newborn baby have separate parts, separate bones in sternum, those known as sternebrae. Those bones known as sternebrae. Now write down the function of thoracic cage. Function of thoracic cage. Thoracic cage protects the organs of thoracic cavity. Thoracic cage protects the organs of thoracic cavity and it plays role in breathing. It plays role in breathing because all ribs connected with sternum by hyaline cartilage. So when we breathe, it come up, and when we inhale, it comes up, and when we exhaling, it goes down, relaxes. Ribs expands and relaxes during breathing. It provides support to pectoral girdle and upper limb. It provides support to pectoral girdle, that is our shoulder girdle, and upper limb. And also provide attachment surface to diaphragm. It also provides the attachment surface to diaphragm and muscles of back, chest and neck. And the muscles of back, chest and neck. Clear?
Yep.
So this was all about thoracic cage. If you have any question, you can ask.
Are there any additions that you want to?
What?
Are there any additions to this? Like before with the diseases, is there anything else?
Adjacent means?
Additions, like extra information for this topic.
Extra information you can ask what you want to ask. Yeah, one point more. Write down 1 point more.
Yeah.
The 11th and 12th rib protects the kidney.
Oh, that's what I already have.
11th and 12th rib, those are floating ribs, protects the kidney. And these ribs also help in exhalation. The floating ribs helps in exhalation. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Any other question?
No.
So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. spine straight, adopt chin mudra, eyes closed. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale, exhale. Inhale for one time Om followed by closing mantra. Closing mantra, repeat after me. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। शांति 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 है। And now keep close your eyes for meditation. Sit comfortably. Focus on third eye chakra, that is Ajna chakra. Look your breath, how it's coming in and going out. Feel the breath sensation. Absorb your breath in your lungs. Focus on your lungs. And feel the flow of air throughout the body. Again come to Ajna chakra, third eye chakra. Concentrate And now join your both palm together. Rub your palm. Apply an ice. Feel the vibration and sensation. Slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti.